Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to claim special offer on TodayTix. So first of all, launch open TodayTix application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now you can see over here, TodayTix application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. In the home interface, you'll be able to see the available shows over here. If you do not find the show that you're looking for over here, you can also search for it by simply tapping on the search option that you can see at the bottom. Now from here, you'll be able to search for the shows and events. Otherwise, simply in the home interface, tap on the show that you want to see. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to claim this special offer, you'll need to apply a code or voucher at checkout. So what you have to do is go to the checkout interface. So simply tap on the option pick your seats that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, pick the date. So simply tap on the date when you want to watch the show. Now you'll be able to see the time slots over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the seat. Now tap on the option go to checkout. Now you'll finally be led to the checkout interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for payment method. So in order to claim the special offer, what you have to do is check on this box, I have a voucher. Now you can see over here, you'll have to apply the code over here. Simply tap on the field of voucher. Now simply enter the voucher code over here. After you do that, tap on the apply option and the voucher code will be applied and you'll be able to claim the special offer. After that, what you have to do is fill in all the details and tap on the option pay securely. Now that voucher code will be applied and your special offer will be claimed. So that is how you claim special offer on TodayTix. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.